Hello everybody, finally. I was looking for these. It took me about 5 minutes to find them. I'm going to do a recording here. Maybe I'll put on this hat. You know, one day I'm going to make sense of all this stuff that I post, and I'll put it into a major compilation, and I'll make sense of it all. Right now, you hear that? I've got a Fender, it's called the Princeton Chorus. Listen to this feedback. Listen. You know why I can do that right now? My wife's in the hospital. I'm looking after her. I'm here home all alone. I'm here all alone tonight. I'm here all alone. That it sounded like crap. Sounded like crap tonight. You know, I don't think anybody out on the street can hear. Maybe if they were very close, they could hear, because I'm in the basement. And all the sound reflects. I should be very interested to know if somebody walking along the street, like a lot of people walk their dogs by here and even walk them down their little cul-de-sac. I'd really be interested if they can hear me and the feedback. I'm going to try that one more time. Not enough gain. Let's turn up the volume here, and the gain, in the presence. Holy crap, I'm probably scaring the shit out of the cat. The cat's probably shivering in the bed, in Lynn's bed, going, "What the hell is that noise? Oh my god, I never heard that before." Oh. Believe me, that cat, all it cares about is food. I mean, it looks at me as like a food source. Like, I can go to the fridge and I can open cans and deal out gourmet foods for the cat. And the cat just goes like crazy over this food, like chicken and beef and shrimp and whatever. I deal out the beef and the chicken and the shrimp tonight. And I've seen one horrible sight. just saying our prayers down here in Dave's church. Dave's church tonight. We're saying our prayers in Dave's church tonight. We're saying our prayers in Dave's church tonight. You know, there actually used to be a guy on YouTube, and he used to call himself the Church of Dave. And the guy was really good at guitar. Like he put a lot of shit together that was really quite entertaining. I don't know if he does that stuff. He's got a lot of tattoos, and I think he likes guns, but I think he likes guitars more than guns. Me, I don't have any guns. I'm Canadian. We're not allowed to have guns. The only weapons we're allowed to have is guitars! Everybody's knowing, everybody's going, everybody's going to town tonight. Come on soon, happy to have you around. I got into a discussion with myself. Now, I don't often get into discussion with other people because I can actually become very, very loud and very, very boisterous. And people get very offended at what I say. But what I was saying is there was something about lyrics and how we can't understand, from the 60s. And people write lyrics thinking that they're just going to go boop, boop, shabop, 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 and put it into a sneaky little tune, and everybody will love it. Well, what the hell are you talking about? And I'm talking about the Eagles and the Pink Floyd. Their lyrics make absolutely no sense, but everybody loves them. If you can't understand something that somebody's telling you, like if they were to say it to you in words, like, I am the walrus cuckoo Khajiit, and you would go oh my God, that's so wonderful. It's not. It's crap. It's crap lyrics. I am the walrus cuckoo Khajiit is crap lyrics. The lyrics to Hotel California are crap. They make absolutely no sense. I killed it with a steely knife, but you just can't kill the beast. Makes absolutely no sense. I wish you were here. What were they talking about? Some railways somewhere. Why do people like shit they don't understand? It just doesn't make sense to me. Yeah. It don't make it don't make any sense to me. It don't make any sense to me. The lyrics of the 60s. I haven't written, I'm going to write a song. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to write a song called John Lennon Was an Asshole. And it's going to be a true song. I better pause this now. This video is getting way too long. But I hope to continue it. We'll pause this.